Hello, in this video I will show you how to do phone setup on OnePlus 4042S. So here you have to select your language and then click middle button. Now you have to set your time and date and then click next. And now you have to click next again. Here you can connect to your data, or you can enable also roaming and then click next. And now click on OK. Here you can add contact list to your SOS button, or you can just click next. And here you can edit your SOS message, and then you can click next. Now you have to click OK. And now your phone is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.